Hello learners, this session is for remembering the toxicological symptoms, especially from arsenic poisoning. Here we are going to discuss about some points, easy points regarding arsenic poisoning or mnemonics for arsenic poisoning. First one, to remember the symptoms of arsenic poisoning, we have a mnemonic that is similar arsenic, ARSENIC. A for Aldrich-Mees line. Aldrich-Mees line is nothing but the transverse white line which you can see in the nails, as you can see in this picture. Or for raindrop pigmentation or red velvet stomach. Raindrop pigmentation occurs in the skin, and red velvet stomach is postmortem finding of the stomach. S for subendocardial hemorrhage in case of arsenic poisoning. E for excessive pigmentation, which is similar like raindrop pigmentation. Next thing, N for neuritis. Arsenic poison causes neuritis, which actually resembles like glove and stalk paresthesia. As you can see in this picture, paresthesia occurs in these areas, which is very painful also. Glove and stalk paresthesia. I for iron oxide plus BAL. Iron oxide plus BAL is an antidote for arsenic poisoning. And C for cholera. Actually, acute arsenic poisoning resembles like cholera. So symptoms of acute arsenic poisoning resembles like cholera. Next, poison resist decomposition or putrefaction. So for this we have a mnemonic A, B, C, D. A for arsenic, B for beer. Beer is actually not a beer, that indicates alcohol, arsenic and alcohol. C for carbolic acid, D for datura. So A, B, C, D. You can remember like this. A for arsenic, B for beer, which is alcohol, C for carbolic acid, and D for datura. And next, we'll discuss some few high yielding points for arsenic poisoning. Scheele's green. Scheele's green is nothing but copper arsenite. Paris green. Paris green is copper acetoarsenite. Acute poison resembles cholera, and chronic arsenic poisoning resembles black foot disease, which is nothing but black foot disease occurs as a result of gangrene in the toes and fingers. And arsenic poison delays rigor mortis and putrefaction. This is very important thing, and you may get an MCQ like this: which poison is found in all the parts, even in nails, bones and hair? That is nothing but the arsenic poison. Thank you so much.